Everybody, this is Mrs. Rossman. I'm going to be your 6th grade math teacher at the Health Sciences Academy at Monroe Middle School. This will be my 9th year teaching at the Health Sciences Academy, and I'm excited to get to know you and get to see you on your first day of school. I'm originally from New York. I have a master's degree. I have 2 sons, Luke, he's 6, Carter is 2. I was awarded Teacher of the Year in 2016. I was featured by Fox News Teachers Getting Results in 2017. I used to teach at Benton Heights 4th grade, and this will be my 12th year as a teacher here in North Carolina. A couple of important information is that students, you will report to school once a week. So you need to make sure that you know what day you are assigned to attend by your last name. The days that you're not in school, you will be virtually learning from home. So you are still going to school every day. 4 days will be at home, 1 day will be at school. I will provide a new lesson on Canvas every single day. It will be your responsibility to keep up with the work. I will be available as much as possible to help you along the way, whether you're at home or at school. This is all new to everyone, so we're going to get through this together. What you're going to need for class, of course, you're going to need your computer charged on your 1 day that you report to school, and then every day at home. You're going to need to bring pencils to school and a composition or a cow notebook. I need you to bring that to school and then take it home and bring it back and forth. We will not be sharing school supplies this year, so please make sure that you have everything that you need when you come on your assigned day. What are my keys for success? Canvas. We're going to be using Canvas to do all of our work. Hopefully you're familiar with that. Asking for help in person or by email. Get in the habit of checking your email several times a day because that's how your teachers are going to best communicate with you. Be prepared in school and out of school with those supplies and getting your work done. Set up a routine each day, even when you're learning from home. Stay organized and have a plan. My contact information is on the screen here if you need to pause it and write it down. My personal phone number is also available upon request. Just have a parent or guardian email me for that information. I look forward to seeing you on your first day of school. Please reach out if you have any questions before we get to that point, and I look forward to meeting you. See you soon.